Hello and welcome back to our grade 9 maths lesson. I am Mrs. Rhea, your grade 9 maths teacher. In our last lesson, we looked at number sequence. In today's lesson, we are going to look at the application of number sequence. Okay? Application of number sequence. Application of number sequence. Okay. Let's start with our example that we did in our last lesson. We have a number sequence 4, 7, 10, 13, and 16. Okay? This is a number sequence. When I add the terms in a number sequence, the sum of these terms in the sequence is what we call the number series. Okay? We have 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus 13 plus 16. This is an example of a number series. Okay? The sum of the terms in a number sequence. Now, there is a formula that we use to calculate the sum of the terms in a number sequence. So, we have Sn, which is the sum of the number of terms in a sequence, and that is equal to n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Okay? We know what a is. A is the first term in a number sequence. D is the common difference. And n is the nth term in a number sequence. So, let's look at an example. If I have to find the 10th term of this number sequence here, I can use this formula to calculate the sum of the 10 terms in a number sequence. So we have S10 is equal to 10 over 2 times 2 times 4, which is the first term, plus 10 minus 1. 10 is the 10th term, and 3 is the common difference of this number sequence here. So, 10 divided by 2 is 5. We have 5 times. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 10 minus 1 is 9 times 3. Okay, we have 5 times 8 plus 27, which is equal to 5 times 35. And that is equal to 5 times 5 is 25. Put down 5, carry 2. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2 is 17. So, the sum of the first 10 terms in a number sequence is 175. Okay, we are going to look at a word problem. This time, that's example number 2. Example 2. Okay, in example 2, we have a word problem. Let's say Jasper wants to buy a new phone and the phone costs 1,080 kina. He has to deposit 100 kina in the first month, and the following month he deposits 100 plus 10 kina. And on the third month he deposits 10 kina more than what he has deposited in the second month. And it continues on and on. So we have first month he deposits 100 kina. Second month is 100 plus 10 kina. On the third month, 110 plus 10 kina, and so on. To save time adding all these numbers, we can use the formula for calculating the sum of a number sequence, and that is Sn is equal to n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Here, our n is 8 because we want to find out how much he is going to save up in 8 months. He needs to save up the money in 8 months to buy the phone, okay? And we know that A is equal to 100 kina, that's the initial deposit, and D is equals to 10 kina, that is the amount that he adds each month on top of the previous deposit. Now we are going to use our formula to calculate the amount that he is going to earn in 8 months. Or we can say amount that is going to save up in 8 months. So we have S8 is equal to 8 over 2 times 2 times 100 plus 8 minus 1 times 10. Okay? 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then 2 times 100 is 200 plus 7 times 10. Okay? So we have 4 times 200 plus 70. Okay? Which is 4 times 270. Okay? What's 4 times 270? Okay, 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 7 is 28. Put down 8, carry 2. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. So, in 8 months, he has saved an amount of 1,080 kina, which is just enough to buy the new phone that he wants, which costs 1,080 kina. So he has saved 1,080 kina in 8 months to buy his new phone. That brings us to the end of our lesson on number applications of number sequence. In our next lesson, we are going to look at transposing formulas or changing the subject of a formula. Thank you.